Assalamu alaikum students, class 10. Today we are going to read our new English unit number 5, The Rain, which is written by the poem The Rain, William Henry Davis. William Henry Davis. ठीक है, let's start from the theme of the poem. William Henry Davis' favorite themes are nature and the hardships of poor. So what about we can understand from this line that most of his poems are about nature and the hardships of poor. This poem has a symbolic meaning. So this poem has a symbolic meaning. So one is you can say it. This poem has two meanings. One is apparent meaning and second is according to the theme of poem. And second meaning is according to the theme of poem, which you can say symbolic meaning. The upper leaves get the raindrops and quench their thirst. Afterward, they pass on the drops to the lower leaves. So, the upper leaves means upper class, people who belongs to upper class. Here it is a symbolic meaning. Here he is using these upper leaves word as a symbol, ठीक है, for the rich class, and lower leaves, lower class, or you can say lower people. ठीक है, the metaphor means that the rich get a golden chance first. So here he has used metaphor in this poem. The rich get a golden chance first and whatever remains trickle down. और जो भी मतलब बच जाता है, whatever remains trickle down to the poor people. But the poet hopes that there would be equality in the society. So the poet is saying that he has hope. He is hoping for the best, that there would become a time when there will be equality in the society, just like the sunshine which spreads all over the world equally. This sunshine, ठीक है, he is also resembling his hope, or you can say just like with sunshine. The sunshine is both for the dark ground drop of the rain and rich green leaves. So sunshine covers all things, the upper and the lower, both leaves, rich class and green leaves. You can say dark round drop of rain. Dark round drop of rain means the sunshine is hope for the you can say poor people, or you can say sunshine is a hope for the people or hope for the leaves that don't get raindrops properly, and rich green leaves. ठीक है, कि sunshine equally treat them. So time will come that they are going to have good time. So now let's start. Read stanza number 1. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath drop after drop. 'Tis a sweet noise to hear. 'Tis a sweet noise to hear. These green leaves drinking near. These green leaves drinking near. Okay. Stanza number 2. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop. A wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. I hope the sun shines bright. It will be a lovely sight. I hope the sun shines bright. It will be a lovely sight. So I have told you before that this poem has two meanings. One is apparent meaning and the second is theme, according to the theme of the poem. As we have studied the theme right now, in the theme we have discovered the symbolic meaning, the upper class and the lower class, difference between the upper class and the lower class. So in the stanza number 1, I hear leaves drinking rain. He is enjoying the music of falling drops. ठीक है, he is enjoying the he's enjoying the music of the falling drops. That is due to rain. ठीक है. Top leaves of water, top leaves are drinking rain water. Top leaves are drinking, so rich leaves क्या है, top leaves आ जाते हैं. ठीक है. Giving the poor beneath, it is related to the you can say that apparently that rich upper class have more facilities and comforts and luxuries of life rather than the beneath, or you can say lower class. Drinking rain leaves, drinking rain means facilities. ठीक है. Rich leaves means full wet leaves. He has given the rich leaves. Here he has used metaphor. What he has used? Metaphor. Rich leaves and poor leaves. ठीक है. Giving the poor beneath means the remaining after enjoying the facilities and you can say luxuries of life, then poor can get their share. Drop after drop, slowly and gradually poor gets, not at once. 'Tis a sweet noise to hear. 'Tis means this is sweet noise. So ठीक है. This is भी कह सकते हैं, and this is the you can say shortened form of it is. So according to the theme, to this and you can say standard of the society, upper leaves are better than the leaves are you can say symbolized to the rich people. After they have all comforts and luxuries, when they enjoy them, what they do, they transfer their comforts and their luxuries to the then poor. But first they enjoy everything. These green leaves drinking near. So this class is near to the facilities and you can say luxuries, all these things. ठीक है. In the first stanza. So the poet is very hopeful. Let's talk about the second stanza. And when the suns come out, after this rain shall stop. So the poet is very hopeful that after you can say darkness there is always brightness. After darkness there always brightness. So after the rain there comes the sun comes out. The sun is going to shine the whole world. ठीक है. If winter comes, can spring fall behind? It's a famous saying of Shelley that if winter comes, can spring fall behind? That is this is the cycle of nature. Like the cycle of nature, there is also cycle in society. This kind of cycle also in society as well, as the rich are going to be transferred or equally distributed to the poor. Setup. This is setup of society. The people who are in comforts and luxuries now, after some time or maybe some time pass, the people who are in darkness or in pathetic form of life, they get these comforts. This is cycle of the society. So equally distribution of the wealth. So poet is very hopeful that times will come that there will be equality in the society. Just like sun, when sun comes out, as the sun changes the raindrops into bright stars. What he's saying, as the sun, when sun comes out and it falls on the dark drops, even round drop means drops of rain. A wondrous light means a delightful light. Okay? A delightful light. Each dark round drop, I hope the sun shines bright. So when the sun comes out and its light falls on the raindrops, everything will be bright. And the dark cloud of injustice in the society will disappear. So the poet is very much hopeful for the future. The dark clouds of injustice are going to be shed away. dark clouds of injustice are going to be shed away, and sun of justice is going to come out. Equality in the distributing of wealth. ठीक है, wealth and justice comes for all. So there will be time comes when there will be equality for everyone. There will be justice for everyone. So poet is very much hopeful, and what he's saying that time will come, and he is saying that love of nature. So basically there are two. It will be a lovely sight. So it will be a beautiful view. It will be a beautiful view that when there will be justice everywhere. Apparently you can say poet is very hopeful about this time for the future, you can say. So in this poem we can see love of nature plus justice in society. Love of nature and justice in the society. Now hopefully you have understood that what the poet wants to say, as he has shown his love of nature through his apparent meaning, and through his poem he has given also a symbolic meaning, and he has used metaphor over here, rich leaves and poor leaves. ठीक है, उसने metaphor use किया यहाँ पे. So everything is very clear. Now what you have to do, you have to read the theme of the poem, and you have to, then you will get to understand it better. Now look at the side question. What do the rich and the poor leaves stand for? I have told you right now that rich and poor leaves are, that rich people are upper class they belongs to, and they have more chances and more facilities rather than the poor leaves. ठीक है, the poet is presenting the reality by using metaphor, rich leaves and poor leaves. So here he has used metaphor, rich leaves and poor leaves, which means poor leaves and rich leaves and poor leaves. ठीक है. Next question है, do you also like the sun coming out after rain? Why? Definitely you have to give your own opinion that when the sun comes out after rain, why do you like it? Because it brightens each and everything. As raindrops, when it fall on the raindrops, it also changes into, you can say, it give clear shine. And secondly, that promote equality and justice in the society. When sun beams falls on everything after the rain, everything looks so beautiful and bright. So everywhere there is justice and equality. You have to do these two short questions on your copy with the after reading the theme. ठीक है, thank you so much.